What is APNS? APNS stands for Apple Push Notification Service. It is the MDM protocol created by Apple to manage their devices. It requires the MDM provider to have a valid APNS certificate configured and routes all commands through Apple's central cloud messaging servers. To manage iOS devices, you must first obtain an Apple Push Notification Service certificate. An APNS certificate allows the UEM console to communicate securely to Apple devices and report information back to the UEM console. APNS certificate is valid for 1 year and then must be renewed. How APNS works in AirWatch or Workspace One. 1. When we perform any actions to device from MDM console such as lock device, clear device passcode and device wipe from the UEM console, a notification will be queued in Fastlane APNS outbound queue, which is picked up by Workspace One messaging service and sent to APNS server. Later, a command is queued in AW event log queue and then picked up by Entity Change Queue Monitor service. This service queues the command in Workspace One database server. 2. The device always has an active connection to APNS. All communication to APNS is inbound and is constantly checking with APNS. The servers let the device know when there's a command waiting for the device by MDM. 3. Once the device receives the push notification, it checks into the Workspace One Device Services server. 4. Device Services server checks whether any command is queued for that particular device in the Workspace One database server. 5. Device Services server pulls the command which is already queued for that device from the Workspace One database server. 6. Device Services generates an XML and sends it to the device. Native MDM agent then performs required action on the device.